In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide to set up and automate your marketing emails. Whether you're new to HubSpot's powerful tools or just looking to make the most of your trial, this walkthrough will get you on the right track quickly and efficiently. First, let's head over to your trial guide. You can find this by navigating to the link provided in your HubSpot account. Once you're on the page, you'll see a variety of options, but we're going to focus on automation features to streamline your processes. Next, click on the option labeled Automation. This section is key to enhancing your efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. It's designed to help you get more done with less manual effort. Once you're there, find and click on Overview. This is where you'll get a bird's-eye view of all the potential automation tools you can leverage. Now, let's explore further by clicking on Discover. This is your gateway to the various automation features available in HubSpot. It allows you to explore strategies to automate different facets of your marketing strategy, which can significantly boost your productivity. From there, proceed by clicking on Automate Your Marketing Assets. This intuitive feature lets you streamline how you manage and distribute your marketing materials, ensuring consistent communication with your audience. It simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling content. The next step is to select Automate Relevant Apps. With this, you can integrate and automate the apps that are most important to your marketing strategy. It's all about connecting the dots between different tools to enhance your workflow. Then, move on to clicking Marketing. This area is specifically tailored for you to manage and optimize your marketing operations. Whether you're handling email campaigns or tracking customer interactions, this section provides a concise overview. Next, select Email. This crucial hub is where you'll manage all your email communication efforts, a vital component of your digital strategy. You're just a few steps away from setting up automated email flows that reach your audience effectively and on time. Now, click on Create Email. Here's where the magic begins. You have the opportunity to design, customize, and set up your email campaigns that can be sent out automatically based on triggers you define. Finally, as you gear up to streamline your email efforts, click on Automated. This setting allows you to establish email sequences that automatically send based on user interactions or other predefined criteria. It's perfect for ensuring your subscribers receive timely, relevant content without you having to manually hit send each time. And that's it. You've successfully navigated HubSpot's automation tools within the Sales Hub Professional Trial. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering email automation, enhancing your marketing processes, and ultimately driving more value from your HubSpot experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating!